Ghana's President Nana Akufo Addo's aide-de-camp, ADC, interrupted the session at the parliament after suddenly collapsing while on duty. NaijaNews reports that the incident occurred on Friday, January 3, 2025, while the president was delivering his address, outlining his administration policies and achievements over the past year. In the video making rounds online, the ADC showed signs of distress before he stumbled and collapsed to the floor. The scene sent shock and concern among assembled members of parliament before the ADC was helped out. Meanwhile, Nigerian President Bola Tinubu has advised leaders of the Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS, to emulate the presidential election conducted in Ghana. NaijaNews reports that former President John Mahama was re-elected to lead Ghana once again, defeating the incumbent Vice President Mahmoud Bawumia, who called to congratulate the winner even before the official results were declared. Speaking on the election during his opening speech at the 65th Ordinary Session of the ECOWAS Authority of Head of State and Government in Abuja, Tinubu said that what happened in Ghana is worthy of emulation by other countries in the region. He hailed the incumbent president of Ghana, Nana Akufo Addo, who is attending the ECOWAS Authority of Head of State and Government for the last time as president, for the successful election. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates and exclusive videos.